Good morning, children. How are you? Hope you all are doing good. In the present situation, we can't come to the school. That's why we have arranged this online classes for you people, so that you can not get disturbed with your studies and you can continue. Okay. Now let us start our first lesson. Okay. The first lesson is food and digestion. Okay. Why all the living things need food? Tell me, the children, why all the living things need food? Yes, we need the food to get energy, to grow, and to be healthy. We all need food to grow and to be healthy. All the living things need food. Without the food, the living things cannot survive. The living things need food to be healthy and to grow in their life. And next is, what are the essential things which are required by our body? What the food should contain? The food should contain all the essential nutrients which are required by our body. What is meant by nutrients? I use the word nutrients. What is meant by nutrients? Nutrients means the things which are essential for our body to grow in a proper way and which gives us energy. For example, what they are called? They are the proteins, minerals, carbohydrates, and fats. These are all the things which are required by our body to get energy and to live firmly, which gives us strength to our body to work. So, why we have to take the food? We can't survive our lives without taking the food. Why? Because we have to perform various things in our day to day life. What we have to do? What the children, what you people will be doing? You have to play, you have to come to the school, you have to learn, and you have to do all the work, isn't it? For doing all the things, you will ride the bicycle and you will play with your friends. For all these things, what you require? You require energy. You should get the energy to do all this work. By doing the works again and again, what you will be tired. So what you have to do? You should get the regain the energy. So how it is possible? If you take the proper food, then only you will get the energy. But what type of foods you should eat to get more energy? That we have to learn. So we require various types of things, that is proteins, vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates, and fats. All these things, they are called the nutrients. They are called the nutrients which are required by our body. Okay. Now let us see. What are the things? See here. You can see the in your textbook. Take the first lesson. This is the page number 8. Okay. So what are these things which are required by our body? You can see milk, fruits, vegetables, and the cereals, pulses, all these things which are required by our body to gain the energy. Okay, these are the things. See what these people are doing here. The boy, he is playing, reading, and you have to perform the various works. For all these things, you need energy. So, what type of food will give us energy? That is the carbohydrate. The carbohydrates gives us instant energy. You might have seen when the cricketers, when they are playing in the cricket, drinks break, they will say in between drinks break. Why they will give the drinks break? Because the players, they have to get more energy to play well in their games, so they require more energy, so which will give the instant energy for them. This is the carbohydrates which will give them more energy. So what type of food contains this carbohydrates is sugar and starch. I said no, they will take the energy drinks. What they contain? Sugar contents will be there inside it. So these are all they require. The carbohydrates contains all such type of things which gives them instant energy. And next thing is fat. Fat is also required by our body, but not too much fat, because too much fat means when we eat the things which contains more of fat, what will happen? We will become more heavy and weight. We will gain more weight. That is called obesity. Obesity means we will get more weight. So all the things are essential for our body, but we have to take them in the things which are required by our body. It means the amount, how much they are required, that much only we have to take. Excess of anything will give dangerous to our body. Okay, so we have to take the food which is essential for our body. So the carbohydrate and fat, these two are the things are called energy giving foods. Okay, carbohydrate and fat, these two are called energy giving foods. Okay, in the next lesson, uh, in the next session, we will see what are the proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Okay.